Good afternoon friends. Today I will continue with the video number 7 from the same topic, that is time response analysis. Okay, and we will analyze the time response in two types of figures, as we have discussed earlier that the output response can be exponential nature and it can be of oscillatory nature. So I have taken these two we can say the two nature of responses. Fine. So here in figure A, this is exponential in nature. As you can see in the figure, in the abscissa part or the x-axis we have taken time, and in the ordinate part or the y-axis we have taken c of t, that is the time response. Fine. And here this line is the step response. Okay, this is the step response, this is standard one, and our system shows this response. Fine. So here what will happen, see, up to this point the figure shows transient behavior. So this is the we can say this is the transient time, and after that the time is for steady state. Fine. So here the response is also in the same manner. We can explain that from here to here this is the ct of t or the transient response, and after that the response is steady state response, so css of t. Okay, and the difference between the step response, that is the standard one, and our exponential graph, the difference is known as the ESS or steady state error. Okay, so here we can say that in x-axis we are taking time and in y-axis we are taking time response. So don't be confused, one is time response. Fine. Next I will go to the other figure where the system shows oscillatory nature. Okay, the other things are same, as we can say up to this, that means the variation is still there. So this is transient time, and here after that the time is for steady state. And similarly this is the step response, and we have compared our system's output with the step response. So and as our response is oscillatory in nature, we have shown like this, and gradually this stabilizes, and we can say the figure looks like this. So up to here we can say this is the transient time response or ct of t, and after that this is css of t or steady state response. Okay friends, so this way here also I can say that in x-axis or abscissa we are taking the time, and in the ordinate or the y-axis we are taking the time response. So time versus time response. The figure is about, we can say, time and time response. So don't be confused, and please try to grasp all these things. Okay, if you have any queries about this explanation, do write to me in my comment box. Okay, thank you so much friends. Please share my video among your friends, and please click a like if you really like it, and please subscribe my channel with pressing the bell icon. Thank you so much for listening to me. Thank you so much for watching my video. Stay safe, stay blessed.